Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your number in Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this website. In this page, you'll have to log into your account, so click on this login button at top right corner. Then you'll have to enter your username and your password on this box, and in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Now go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you do that, click on this login button. Once you are logged into your account, you'll get to this home page. Now there is no method where you can update your mobile number by yourself. You'll need an assistant, so click on this support button at the top bar, then click on help. Once you get to this page, on the left hand side where it says my account, you will see this option where I can update my personal details. Click on this link. Then they will show you an instruction. As per this instruction, you'll have to email your bank statement or utility bill to this email address in order to verify your identity. And don't forget to include your username so that they can identify you. While sending this email, you can say, please change my phone number, and then click on the send button. Once you send out the email, they will try to verify it, and once your application gets verified, your phone number will be changed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.